The electric car's story is older than you might imagine, stretching back further than most people realize. In fact, it's even older than the gasoline engine itself, with roots planted deep in the 19th century. The journey of the electric car is filled with unexpected twists, dramatic setbacks, and surprising comebacks, all beginning in the 1800s. Today's sleek, high-tech EVs are the result of a revolution in how we think about moving people and goods, driven by innovation and necessity. The first electric carriages were once the stars of the road, capturing imaginations, but they soon faded into the background as gasoline engines took over the world stage. For decades, electric power was mostly limited to golf carts, small city cars, and delivery vehicles, far from the spotlight. But like any great idea, the electric car was never truly gone. It was just waiting for the right moment to return. Now, after decades in the shadows, electric cars are leading the pack once again, capturing the world's attention. This is a story of visionaries and inventors who imagined a cleaner, quieter future, and refused to let their dream fade away. We'll travel from the earliest experiments and prototypes to today's high-tech, mass-produced EVs that are changing the world. We'll discover why the first wave of electric cars fizzled out, and what finally sparked the modern electric revolution that's underway. Meet the key people, the pivotal cars, and the breakthrough moments that changed the course of automotive history forever. Buckle up as we explore the electric car's remarkable evolution, from a wild, ambitious idea to a reality on roads everywhere. The journey is just beginning. Let's hit the road.